morning. I hope you guys are doing so well. So I am in London, so we're going to the zoo and we are here for lunch. Taking you along today and showing you guys what I will be doing and all that. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always watching my vlog and my fashion content. Like, you guys are wonderful. It's so windy, can you see? Thank goodness I actually put my hair in a pony. Like, the wind is just everywhere on my head. Anyway, I'll let you guys be and I'll show you around. I just came to see my friends, so we're going to be having this yummy chicken. I think this is with saffron, right?
Yeah, you made it.
I had this one before.
Yeah.
And she's cooking this Iranian
Borma
sapsi.
Huh?
Horma sapsi or whatever.
Not sexy.
Yeah, sexy. Borma sexy. So yeah, so we're here for a delicious,
Hopefully.
oh, this looks healthy. Look.
Yeah, of course it's healthy.
Healthy chicken. It looks beautiful. So I can't wait to yum yum. Now this is this is how she cook her rice. She kind of soaked it a little bit. And we've got this this is saffron. Everything is looking yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum.
So I'm gonna make it. Would you like tea?
I'll put the kettle on. So let's put the kettle on for this, my beautiful, amazing. We are so silly, honestly. My friend is going to make this Iranian rice. For the rice, usually I call it burnt rice, but it's usually delicious. So yeah, I'll show you how she does it. Oh, what is she doing? She's doing it already. So she's putting the rice in the yogurt. Can you see that bit? There's like yogurt mist there. So packaging. So here we go. Can you see? Then she will now put the rice somehow, but the rice will come out really beautiful. The rice is so hopefully we've got the burnt rice, but hopefully it's not that burnt.
No.
Not today. Oh, it's a little bit burnt. No, seriously
Not
burnt.
seriously burnt.
No, it's okay. Sometimes it burns, it forms like cake.
Yeah, I think they need a little
more
bit
time. Yeah,
okay.
but anyway, that's
so
the rice
hungry.
that we're eating. We're so hungry that we need to eat, but it's still nice. Oh, we need to create space.
Sorry, it doesn't come very crispy this time, the rice. Not very burn. Little burn.
Yeah.
Here you go.
So that's
Take that
long.
rice back and burn it.
Everybody smells. She cooked one time.
No, I
Enough
read.
rice, do you think?
Huh?
Do you think that's enough rice?
For how many people? Just
yeah,
5 people.
sorry.
The list.
You showed me one of the.
I'm just like walking in London, so this place is absolutely gorgeous. So we finished lunch. Lunch was amazing. So we're going to Battersea Park just for a walk and to go see. I think there's a mini zoo in Battersea Park, if I could talk. I tell my friend, my husband. So yeah, I'm going to be. So lunch was amazing. Like, I've eaten so much. If not because of my kids, trust me, I would just love to be at home, like watch Netflix and just honestly be sleeping because I'm like so full. My god, the wind is going crazy, and yeah, I'll take you guys. It's beautiful. London is stunning. Some of the scenery. London is honestly so this is where we came now for a walk. Still walking. This park is so beautiful. Honestly, it's such a nice park. There's so many. We're just trying to find things to do in this park. I think there's a zoo here, and there's like kids playground, but everything just looks so nice. Look at this. It looks like a Chinese or Japanese sort of building here. It's just like so beautiful. Okay, car here. Some funky bike rather, no car. Ah, beautiful. It's like so stunning. It really does remind me of, and there's a little cafe at the end there. I just really love it. The song and yeah, just a really beautiful scenery. And honestly, I just honestly like the way people just come to the park, sit by maybe by the lake, and honestly just enjoy the view. I think it's really nice. And the kids are just like scooting, they're having a lovely time. Honestly, it's just really, really, really good. I'm surprised they have not said they want ice cream yet. They're just playing balls. Anyway, I'm going. If I see anything interesting again that I want to show you guys, clearly I will show you guys. And there's a lot. That walk is really lovely. It's really is nice. Well, anyway, I'll keep taking you along, and yeah, just keep chatting with you. People are just looking at me like, why is this girl just talking to herself? Bizarre. Oh. Photography. I'll be taking picture like walking and stopping, and I think it's starting to drive everybody crazy because I'm trying to get into like taking picture, trying to walk out my camera a little bit. Oh yeah, come on, let's start going. Come on. Yeah, we're going to go now because they start walking. Come on, let's go catch up with them quick. Honestly, the wind is making me cry. That's why I put on my sunglasses. I just actually caught that on camera. It's just the wind. I'm not actually crying. I'm in my happy element. Come on, let's go. I think the gentleman is doing tanshi, or what is that thing called? It's not kung fu. I think it's tanshi or something like that. I think that's what they're doing. They're doing practice. What a beautiful place to be doing it. In a little kind of Chinese temple. Can you see? Can you guys see? So we are here in this old English garden. It would be nice in spring. It's 4 o'clock. So good morning guys, how you guys doing? So today I woke up, kids are in school, I'm having my tea, and I'm just like want to do some cleaning in my house today. A lot of washing, a lot of cleaning. So you guys, I'll be taking you guys along, showing you guys what I'll be doing today, Monday. I just want it today to be like very, very productive. And the good news is that I think it's getting lighter by the day now. It's getting lighter. Like today it's a bit gray, but by 7 o'clock or so I could see the light peeping in already, which is amazing. Which is amazing. So I'm just having my tea. I'm going to go downstairs to go make a quick you know that turmeric and ginger shots that I make. I'm going to go do it again. I'm a little bit hooked on that. I'll just put you guys here for a sec. So I'm just a little bit hooked to that, so I'll be doing that. And what else again? A lot of cleaning, a lot of folding of clothes, prepping my bed. So we'll just see how we get on. So I'm going to put some treatment on my face as well while I'm cleaning, so that at least that one will be sinking in. So I'm going to be using turmeric, honey, and yogurt. So yeah, basically I want this morning to be productive because later on I'll be doing some editing, catching up on my email because I got some emails from some brand. I don't know if they're good or not good, because right now on my channel I choose not to just, I don't know how to say it. It's not like I choose to just really focus on building my platform instead of some brands, honestly, they really want to use you. I know that I don't have a lot of subscribers count. They were like, oh, we'll give you this for exchange of this or that. So at the end of the day, I know that I'm still growing, trying to build my platform. A lot of work do go into making like this 50-second reel or 30-second reel. Like you have to do your makeup, your hair, you have to. Then I was just like, no, I'll prefer to sacrifice my platform for my platform, really build my platform. This is a business. It's not like, it's a business. I'm trying to build it up so that I can work with people that will pay me, because this is like, I've been doing this thing for like 2 years or so now. It's not easy. So I don't just want any brand to say, oh, I'll give you shoe for the conditions. You should look at the conditions that they give you. Just like, really? They don't even know that a lot of effort, at least £50, £100 is still something. They don't even know that a lot of effort go into producing this content. They'll just like, oh, we give you this, but we want this, and we want the rights to your video and this. I was just like, no, you're not doing that. Anyway, this is what I'm going to do. So I have a lot of reel to edit. I have a lot of YouTube content as well to edit. So I'm just a bit ambitious. You know, when you wake up some morning and you're just feeling like, this is what I will be doing. This is exactly what I'm feeling like right now. So let's dive right into it. Let me take you downstairs. Let me go make my shot first. So I just quickly make a face mask as well. So that's simply just a little bit of yogurt, honey, and turmeric powder. And here is my juice that I just made. So I'm going to try and be brave and just drink that. Oh, this turmeric, the turmeric, honestly, it stains like hell. Which one is even bigger? I'll give my husband the larger ones. Yeah, my husband could drink that. I'll tell him to stir it. I'll drink this one. I think you need to give it a little shake because it sticks to the bottom like crazy. It stains like hell. Right. Oh my god, yeah. I think that's it for the week now. So I'm just going to go wash my face and put my face mask and try doing my chores. Can I just quickly say, you know this juice that I just had? So if you're going to drink it and you're rushing out so quickly, maybe you're going somewhere, I don't think you should, because it does stain the tongue. I'll just show you quickly. I know it's going to be a bit gross, but yeah. Just stain the tongue like that, except maybe you have to really scrub so that, yeah, basically that's it. Anyway, I'm going to do some cleaning now. I hope my hands are clean. So I'm going to do a bit of cleaning. Actually, I need to do my bedding. Hi guys, I'm just here doing this tie and dye. So I actually did this one last night with my daughter. So apparently they're doing Hindu day in school, I think very soon actually. So she really wanted something a bit colorful. She wanted something rainbowy, but I think we stuck with we used 4 colors instead last night. So I'm just going to kind of wash it up because this morning she was really looking forward to the outcome of this tie and dye that we did. I'm just hoping that she will like it. So she did one for herself and one for a very good friend in school, so that they will be matching. So she used the same color. Sorry, I'm just trying to use one hand because I'm holding my phone with the other one. So I'm just hoping that it turned out to be okay. When I was in Nigeria, we used to do like artwork, and I did tie and dye, but we used to just buy the chemical. You know, you go to all this Ansa quarter and buy the dye and the chemical that goes with it. But with this pack that we use, everything just came in. So actually it's not bad. I'm just trying to show you guys the design. Probably when I dry it, I will show you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, this is the outcome of the tie and dye. Actually, this one is not that bad. This one came out really nice, the pattern. So she wanted this 12 one. So this is going to be one for her and one for her friend for this Hindu concert they're going to do in school. And she made this one for the brother. So this one has kind of stripe. Maybe the string that we used was not tight enough, but it's pretty cool, isn't it? It's very cool. I'm sure she's going to be happy with the outcome. Anyway, let me go in. It's freezing out here.